Welcome to our.wld.lfe. Today we're hiking the Oconee Bell Nature Trail inside Devil's Fork State Park, right here near Lake Jocassee. It's a short trail, about 1.5 miles long, so it's an easy walk, but it holds something really special. We actually squeezed this hike in during a little bit of rain, so while the trail might have been a little muddy, we had it all to ourselves, which was awesome. The trail itself is known for one very rare reason, the Oconee Bell wildflower. The Oconee Bell is an extremely rare native plant that grows only in a few specific habitats in this region of South Carolina and North Carolina. It thrives in cool, shaded, moist forest areas, usually near mountain streams and lake edges. Because it has such a specific growing condition, you won't just find it anywhere. It's actually considered one of the rarest wildflowers in the Southeast. These flowers typically bloom in late winter through early spring, usually around January through March, depending on the weather conditions. When they bloom, they produce small, delicate white to pale pink bell-shaped flowers, which is where the name comes from. Seeing them in person is pretty special. This trail was actually created to help protect and preserve this species, since it grows in such limited areas. So it's not just a hike, it's part of conservation. The boardwalk sections help protect the habitat, keeping foot traffic off sensitive areas where the plants grow. Even without the peak bloom, this trail still feels pretty peaceful. It's short, it's shaded, and it's surrounded by forest. It's one of the reminders that sometimes the most meaningful things aren't the biggest hikes or the longest trails. Sometimes it's something small and rare, hidden in plain sight. And I think that's why we wanted to include this in our South Carolina series. Not just the waterfalls and boat days, but the quiet moments too. Thanks so much for watching, and let's wander on to the next one.